Good morning, ladies and gents. Thank you for joining me today as we go through my trades. First up, we're looking at Amazon. I start off by changing the chart to a weekly chart and then quickly go ahead and put in the Fibonacci. Just double checking that the layers are right. These are old highs that I'm checking just to make sure that the new ones line up correctly. Next, we can drop down into a day chart, see what's going on a little bit closer to our time zone. Double checking the chart still lines up correctly. Everything looks pretty good. Checking the RSI to see the relative strength. I believe it was a little bit low. Yep, below average. It's not exactly what we're hoping for. If anything, the chart will move slightly below that red zone before it starts climbing. Just putting in some lines here to see how the market's squeezing. I'm not so keen on the bottom line. I'm pretty sure it should be dropping below that. Here's some levels to keep in mind in the future. Moving on to Microsoft. Once again, start off with a week chart. I'll quickly add my other indicators. Right, ready to go. Looking at past levels just to verify if I can use new levels. Looks good. Moving closer to a day chart. This chart looks very similar to the last one. Probably find a little bit of pullback below that red before it starts climbing again. What I'm doing here is just checking the trend. It's a very, very old and simple technique. You add some moving averages of different levels. Normally it's about 20, 50, and 120. As you can see there, the 20 is dropping below the 50, which is an indication that the trend could be moving or changing direction. There's the squeeze once again. Here's some lines or interesting points to look at. The reason for the squeeze is just to see how the market could react in the next few days. It's not something you're going to open a trade on. Next up, Netflix. Setting up our Fibonacci. Dropping down to a day chart. Verifying that our RSI is slightly below average. As you can see, the MACD is slowly dropping, however the market seems to be fairly stable. When I say stable, it is moving in a horizontal line and it's not going up or down. This is a good indication for us. We should see some increase in the next week or two. Right, and here are some more interesting points on Netflix. These are some open trades that have been placed. These will only open if the market reaches the actual price. And here's my thoughts. My thoughts for next week, and thank you for joining me.